Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery of a 2018 S560 remote controller. I'm going to show you how to take out the battery and replace it with the brand new one. First, what you got to do is press on this little button in the back. It should release the key. Put it in the side. Press the little button again. Slide the lid and remove. As you can see in the back part, there's this little thing that you need a screwdriver, but you can also use the key from the remote. There you go. Comes out. This is how it comes out. So now you need a 2032 lithium battery. Brownie battery here. Take out the little sticker in the back. We're gonna put it in here, then check the little back part, make sure you flip it over and insert it back in there, and then you grab the little lid, slide it back in there. Make sure you do it careful because you don't want to break the little pins on it. And then you grab the key. Make sure you do it right. And make sure you hear the little pop. And there you go. That's how you change the battery on a remote for a 2018 Mercedes S560. Thank you for watching my video.